Okay, people, here we have the reading for those of you who picked number 2 or the Howlit, okay? Let's see what the next period will bring to you. This reading will cover the period beginning with the winter solstice or Yule until IMBOLC. More specifically, for those of you who are not familiar with these Sabbats, the Wheel of the Year Sabbats, this reading will cover the period beginning with December the 21st until February the 1st, 2023, okay? Let's see what we have for you, all right? Let's see the first card, the situation, the Tower, what's crossing it, okay? The Emperor. Okay, what's crowning the situation? What's the potential? What can you get out of it? All right, the root of the situation, recent past, next future, the way you see yourself, the environment or how the others see you, hopes and fears, and finally the outcome. All right, so the situation, the Tower. There is some massive sudden change happening here, a sudden unexpected end. It's an event that will shake you to the core, something that has been built on shaky, unstable foundations. It's like the strike of a lightning. It's somehow like someone pulled the rug from under your feet, you know. It's not necessarily something physical. It can also mean that an ugly, deep hidden secret can come to the surface. In any case, it's something you have no control over. It just happens. It's inevitable. All right. Anyway, it seems like there is a solid structure opposing this destructive power. Might be your father or I don't know, a fatherly figure, someone in charge, someone a leader, who's trying to protect you, to keep things under control, to keep things from falling apart. All right. The potential of this situation. Where can this lead? The Queen of Discs in its reverse position. All right, this can lead you to fall prey to selfishness, insecurity, jealousy. I'll come back to this, okay? Let's see what's the root, the foundation of this situation. Five of Swords in its reversed position. All right, it seems like you're willing to forgive and forget. You've been through a phase of a period of fighting. It's like an old wound has been opened again. You know, the negative emotions are still there, or they come they come in waves, they come and leave. but they are there. All right, you have been hurt a lot. What I have here suggests to me that maybe you've been in a very wrong relationship in the past. Very toxic, very abusive. Not sure if you or your partner have been the toxic one, the toxic element. Maybe both of you were, okay? Or maybe none of you, but you just weren't suitable for each other. Maybe you had continuous clashes, fights, ugly conflicts. I cannot say a love-hate relationship because I can't see love here. Okay? This could be the case. Anyway, this, whatever it was, did leave scars on your soul. Maybe brought you to a point where you cannot trust anyone anymore. You're afraid to open yourself to anyone. I don't know, you're afraid to return to your essence. You used to be a very caring, nurturing, family-oriented person. You're afraid to return to that state of being in order not to get hurt, okay? Maybe this tower signifies your ex will return looking for you out of nowhere, or in some cases, hope it's not the case, maybe even out of jail, all right, looking for you. But now you have someone to protect you. Maybe your father, maybe your current partner. They'll put the foot down and wouldn't let anything bad happen to you anymore. Okay, let's see the recent past. The Princess of Wands in its reversed position. I think you had tried many times to take a new path, to start a new life, but you couldn't, or at least you have thought about it a lot. Yeah, more likely you just thought about it but didn't have the courage to do it, to turn your ideas into action. All right, next future, the Four of Discs in its upright position. Good, this is good. It shows me stability, security. You're safe now. You're holding tight to what you have achieved. Your safety, your safe place, your comfort zone. You're protected. All right. It comes close to the Emperor in meaning. See, number 4. Number 4 signifies structure, stability. Okay, let's see how you see yourself. The Art, very nice major arcana card. This means pretty much the middle path. Okay, you learn to bring balance, to avoid extremes. You bring moderation, patience, balance in your life. You learn to manage your emotions, to avoid everything that's too black or too white. Okay, you learned from past experiences, and now you finally have the feeling that you're on the right path. All right, how others see you? What's the environment? The 5 of discs in its upright position. Okay, people around you see you as someone that someone who's been through a lot, who suffered a lot, as someone who is maybe a little too pessimistic, maybe as someone who's complaining a lot, but it's understandable. Okay, it's a natural stage before becoming whole again. You cannot go through hard times and just pretend that nothing ever happened. All right, let's see, number 9, hopes and fears. The 6 of Swords reversed. Yeah, you still have some emotional hooks, some unresolved issues that you have to leave behind, okay? I think you're afraid that this is never going to end. You want to move forward, to run away from a troubled past, but you live with the fear that that past always catches up to you. Okay, let's see what the outcome is. The Prince of Swords. This indicates you or someone close to you. It's someone full of energy, a quick thinking person, someone that once has his mind set on something. No one is going to stop him from achieving his goals. Okay, it's not reversed, so I think this is not someone who will act against you. But be aware that this is a possibility as well. All right, keep your eyes wide open and be prepared to face anything. But if this is you, then set yourself a mindset which will help you to fight for what you want, to stand on your position. And I don't know, just remember you are not alone, okay? So this was the reading for those of you who picked the Howlit or number 2. I hope this reading has been helpful, and see you again soon.